where we entered is one of our estates. Basically, I'm the owner, but this is my room. You can see my body over there. Now, what I can do for you is to make you go into my body. Then you go talk to Anto. Okay. So can I get no, don't rush. You can't do that. You can't enter with this appearance.
Or enter with this, you know, because I'm from one view, or enter, you know, because I'm from one view.
So I have to do a transfer. I have to do a transfer. Are you ready? I'm never ready. I'm never ready. Hug me. When you hug you, freeze. Then you change position.